Okay everyone, how y'all doing? Back in the kitchen, have to bake some oatmeal raisin cookies for my husband. This is the recipe that I'm using. I guess y'all can see it, the ingredients. That's where I got the recipe from. Anyway, all I know is y'all needs to have one of these stiffers, can't speak, because it make the flour so nice and light. So when y'all do y'all baking, make sure y'all sift the flour. Anyway, let me get these cookies started. I'll show y'all when I put them in the pan and put them in the oven. Well, I ain't gonna show y'all my oven because my oven needs cleaning, and I also need to put my gasket around the door. And then I can be letting y'all and look in my oven at what I'm baking soon one day. Anyway, let me get this started. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to stir in my raisins and the oats. So, dumping in the raisins, dumping in the oats. And y'all know, I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, but since we family and all, I'm going to just struggle with one hand as I just talk about what? I'm making some oatmeal raisin cookies. And I showed y'all the recipe that I'm using. In case somebody needed a recipe. You never know on here. Don't ever believe that folks know everything. Some people don't know everything about everything, and they might want an oatmeal raisin cookie recipe. You just gotta stir this in. Now I whipped the the panties off of my dang sugar and butter, and I believe that helps when you really get that sugar and that butter really well mixed in together, and the sniffing of the flour. Oh, but anyway, I'm gonna finish mixing the raisins and the oatmeal, the oats in here, so I can put them in the pan and let y'all see that. I'm back, y'all. I'm putting these cookies in this pan. I'm cooking with these gadgets. I forgot what this pan called, but this is the brand. If y'all can see that name, I'm not sure. I think it say Wilton. Yeah, Wilton. And it looks like, I don't know, probably a one you could do macaroons or something. I don't know. But anyway, here go one pan full, and I'm using this thing right here to measure and place in the pan. I got one pan already ready to go. So when I come back, the cookies will be ready, I guess. Hopefully. I'll show y'all the finished product. I know I'm gonna have some of this dough left over, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer. My favorite cookie is peanut butter. This is my husband's favorite cookie. He like oatmeal raisin cookies, or cranberry, anything oatmeal. He loves oatmeal cookies. So anyway, yeah, y'all, so let me tell y'all, I almost was trying to catch a cold in the pandemic era. Oh hell no, please don't let me catch a cold. I was so scared. This how I stopped myself from getting sick. I put socks on. You know I got my leg warmers on that I made. I made me a pair of pink ones. I'm going to share that with y'all. But y'all know, if y'all remember, some of y'all, I got some green and red ones I made. y'all don't know, look in my crafting video so y'all see what I'm talking about. Some leg warmers. And I got that on. Then I put on long sleeve shirt. I got my Vicks Vapor Rub. I put that on my throat. I wrap my throat up with a scarf. I put a hat on. Before the hat, I put some soft cotton, just enough to stop my ears up, because that'll stop the air from going in my ear, and that works like miracle. I don't know how it would work for anyone else.Maybe some people do the same thing like I do, but I gotta keep myself all bundled up. Y'all know I got my ibuprofen. I got the leave cold medicine, which I haven't started yet because I don't have the. I was trying to get a stopped up nose, but like I said, I stopped it in its tracks. I got this fan on. Let me cut this fan on. I was feeling a little warm because I got the oven on, about to bake these cookies. But anyway, I do not want to catch no cold during the pandemic coronavirus era, because I think I might slip into corona or something. I'm scared to death because, you know, it's flu season, but I don't think I ever had the flu. I always get a cold and to be done with it. I start with a scratchy throat, and that's the worst thing. That scratchy, irritated. Oh, it feel like something rough in your throat. How many of y'all ever experienced that? Then after that, it turns into a stopped up nose, lasting a day or two. Then the coughing. It just goes like that. But I do not want. I never had the flu. I just have a bad cold. Have had bad colds. But I don't want to even get that. I'm having these mild symptoms of trying to catch a cold. But like I said, I'm keeping myself wrapped up, and y'all probably won't be hearing about from me this video. Today is Wednesday, I believe, the 20. Yesterday, let me see, 26, 27. Today, the 28th, October 28th, 2020. And I'm in here making oatmeal raisin cookies in the morning. If y'all don't hear from me in a few days, that's because I'm recuperating, trying to keep myself well. But today, on this day, y'all gonna see me come back on there. Might not put this video up today, I'm not sure. But this is the day that I'm making it. But I will be coming online and answering the comments. Thank y'all for all the beautiful comments and everything, well wishes, all that good stuff y'all do. I appreciate it all. And I will be coming to your channel, giving you full views, because I am a great supporter. And even if I don't have time to fully watch, like I got to catch up, I stream. Meaning, if I don't watch the whole thing, I let it continue to play until the very end. So y'all still get y'all watch time. Anybody that's trying to get monetized, you still getting your full watch time with me. And there we have it. Oatmeal raisin cookies dropped. Oatmeal raisin cookies, meaning you just take a spoon and drop them in the pan. Drop them on your cookie sheet, whatever you're using to bake them in. So they smell delicious. The house is smelling like warm cinnamon, raisins, oats. It's delicious. Every time I bake cookies, it always brings me back to thinking about home economics in junior high school and also high school. Baking, learn how to bake and cook and stuff in there, making cookies and things like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and hope the husband, well, he gonna love these cookies anyway. Like I said, this is his favorite cookie. And till next time, take care, stay blessed, have a great day, be safe.